Hi everyone, it's Heather at Little Bird Blythe. While I got a chance, I thought I would show you a few of the items that will be uploaded into the shop very soon for the new season's collection. And here are a selection of handbags that will be available for Blythe-sized dolls or pull-ups or even Barbies, I suppose. So I've been making these. Now they are leather. So obviously not good for if you're a vegetarian or vegan and you don't agree with leather. However, I do like working with leather, so and they're quite robust, and I think they look very nice. I was inspired because I've recently bought myself a little handbag. I've been looking at Mulberry bags. Mulberry is a British brand, and I absolutely love them. They're very expensive handbags. I did actually treat myself a little while ago to a little handbag by Mulberry. I've got a couple. They're my favourite brand, and that inspired me to make some little handbags for my Blythe dolls. So here are a few of them that will be appearing in the shop. So I've got a range of different colours, and I was going for the autumnal sort of shades, because I think that obviously would go with the season and some of the outfits that I'm making for the dolls. So we've got a few of this particular style, which these just fasten by sort of tucking in the little bit there, and I've also made this one here, which is sort of a rounded bag. I don't know what you call that actually. I'm not sure I'll make too many of these, but it's cute. It's yellow. I made that really because my daughter loves yellow. And I've also got this one on a chain, which is like a clutch bag, and that fastens with a little bead there, and obviously you can pop little things in. And while I was at it, I also made some little purses so that you can pop those in the bags as well. So something for your dollies. So that one doesn't open. And there's another little clutch bag. So these little purses can go inside the bigger bags. So they'll be available soon. But I thought, because I am uploading some of these to the shop, I wasn't sure whether people would be interested in making their own bags, and I did consider adding materials so that people could make some of these things themselves. So I'm going to show you how to make a couple of bags. I won't do it in this video, I'm going to do it in the next video because the time will probably run on. So if you're interested in potentially making your own little leather handbag, watch out for the next video that will be coming out, because I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a little tote bag in leather, which you can make in fabric if you would like. So I'll give you the details on how to do that, and also how to make the little purses and clutch bags. I'll give you a bit of details on that. And also, if you think it would be useful, let me know if you think it would be good to have sort of little kits available in the shop. So literally just the pre-cut leather available for you to just quickly form the bags yourself if you would like to. Anyway, if you think that's a good idea, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe if you like seeing dolly videos and dolly how-to videos, and click the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded the next video on how to make the handbags. They're just so cute. I really think they're so cute. I mean, anything that's in miniature is so cute anyway, isn't it? But yeah, if you're interested, let me know. I hope you're all having some dolly fun. I hope you like the look of the little handbags as well, as they are so sweet. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I hope you join me for the tutorial. Take care everyone. Bye.